Alright, so talking about sets and intersections and complementary here. So we're going to start with the first one, A, which is B intersect D prime. So the intersect, it means and. It means the elements are in B and at the same time are in D prime. So what do I need here? I need first of all the D prime, which I can get from here. So that would be the set that it does not have. This is my universal set, by the way. So I cannot have R, I cannot have X, I cannot have Z, but I can have everything else. So if I cross the R from the universal set, I cross the X, I cross the Z, whatever left is only F and Q. Alright, so that's D prime. So now I'm going to look for the elements are in B at the same time in D prime. Alright, so what I have in B, I have the F here and I have the F here. And I have R and Q. So the R and Q, I cannot take any one of them because they are not in both sets. However, I can take definitely the F. All right. So the intersection here, you're going to be the set, open the set, you're going to put F and close the set. And that's basically all. All right. So now let's move on to the second one, B. So in this purpose, I need to erase first of all what I did before. So clear this. And what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to start with wherever I have inside the parentheses, which is B union D. All right. So what does mean the union here? The union is the OR. So if an element is in B, you take it. If it is in D, you take it as well. All right. So looking at these two sets, what is B union D, I open a set here, and what do I have? I have just to copy all the elements that I can see, do not repeat them, that's all. So I can see the F, I write F, comma, can see the R, I write it down, comma. I see the R again, I don't have to write it down because I have it already. Then I have the X, write it down, and I have the Z, write it down. And that's the union. Now the question is asking you about the complementary of that set. So we're going to do exactly the same thing. So I'm going to go back to my universal set. I'm going to cross the F. I'm going to cross the R. I'm going to cross the X. I'm going to cross the Z. Those are in the B union D. I cannot take them. Therefore, the complementary is whatever left. And that the only element left, which is Q. So that would be only Q in here, and close the set. And that's it.